The Galaxy Z Flip 5 is officially here and it brings some much needed upgrades to the table. We're gonna be comparing everything new side by side to the Flip 4 from last year, so it's time to see if the upgrade is actually worth it or is it just hype. In this hands-on experience with the Galaxy Z Flip 5, I have to say the biggest difference maker compared to any of the Z Flip phone in the past has to be with the new outer screen. This is now a fully functional, comfortable, large outer screen display which is about 3.4 inches. It has this unique folder kind of look going on which makes it kind of stand out compared to other large outer screen flip phones on the market. To utilize the new large screen to its full potential, Samsung has implemented some brand new widgets. There's a lot to choose from with the support for third-party widgets. You'll also be open certain supported applications on it which includes some third-party apps, and of course my favorite, which is the brand new camera UI optimized for this big outer screen. This is going to be the biggest difference for me personally compared to the Z Flip 4 because I always had a tough time navigating with the camera UI that Samsung had for the older, smaller outer screen of the Flip 4. So now it's a lot comfortable. You can change the resolution along with the aspect ratio, which was such a pain on the Flip 4. So this is gonna be a big difference maker when using the cameras using the outer screen. Other than that, you can see the horizontal camera look is back. Although these cameras are the same as the Z Flip 4, we'll still see some slight improvements in camera quality thanks to the upgraded camera ISP with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip. As for the big main display, it's still a 6.7-inch 120Hz refresh rate display with now better durability thanks to Gorilla Glass 2 implementation. A lot of people expected slimmer bezels on the main screen, but it's pretty much the same on both phones, like you can't really tell the difference side by side. There is a new water droplet hinge on the Flip 5 that allows it to be completely shut closed compared to the Flip 4, making it a bit more pocketable and slightly slimmer, but it's really not a big change. The main thing that I wanted to see was a difference in crease, which is still pretty much on the same level. It's just slightly improved. We still have the same battery size along with the same charging standard. With that being said, Samsung promises a battery improvement thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy chip. As for the pricing, the Z Flip 5 costs the same as the Z Flip 4 from last year. If you pre-order, Samsung is gonna upgrade the storage to 512 gigs for free. So as usual, there are some pre-ordered goodies and trade-in deals. So with all of this in mind, the Flip 5 for me personally, after experiencing this outer screen, it's actually a worthy upgrade because it makes the experience so much better than what we had on the Flip 4. Unlike Fold 5, Samsung has actually put some effort on making the Flip 5 somewhat of a worthy upgrade. But if you feel comfortable with the outer screen of the Flip 4, then it's still a pretty good flip phone even in 2023. You really can't go wrong with both of them, but my choice will be the Z Flip 5. Of course, these are my hands-on thoughts. I will be doing a full review very soon as I'll be testing it out fully, so make sure you subscribe to the channel for that video coming out very soon. Let me know your thoughts about this in the comments below. I already did a video on the Fold 5, so for that, the link is mentioned in the description. Definitely check it out. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.